Hi viewers, hi subscribers, welcome back to Sokali channel. Today we are meeting you with an informative video on US tourist and business visa. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please do subscribe our channel and turn on the bell notifications. We will be providing you informative videos and interesting vlogs in USA and abroad. Okay, let's go to today's video. Hi viewers, so today we are going to see about what US visitor visa is, and I'm here in the official government page, travel.state.gov, and I have navigated to the tab under the US visas and tourism and visit. So typically any foreign citizen to enter US should obtain visa for any purpose, say for temporary stay or immigrant purpose. And here we are going to see about the visitor visas. So they come in two categories, one for temporary business visit, which is B1, and another for tourism purpose, which is B2. Sometimes it can reflect the combination of both as well. So here are some activities which can be eligible to be categorized under the following visa category. So the B1, the business visa, you can come to US to consult with your other business associates who are working abroad from your firm to attend conferences and to negotiate a contract or settle an estate. So for which you can come under the category of B1. And for the tourism, we have the category B2. It can be general vacation or medical tourism to visit your family and friends, to participate in a event or organizations hosted events and like sports, musicals, and global contests, etc. And you can even do a short-term recreational course, which doesn't count towards a college degree. Yes, it should be only it's very classified as very specific. It shouldn't go towards a college degree, and it should be shorter in duration. Example, a 2-day cooking class while on vacation. Yeah, that's fine. But for study purpose, that is exclusively another visa, F1, for which you have to have a different set of application and different categories. So under tourism visa, you can study in US. Yeah, and we'll see the other not to do on visitor visas. As we already discussed about, you cannot study towards a college degree, you cannot uh, be employed, and you cannot participate in a paid performance. So you cannot perform on stage and earn money in US, and the crew members of a ship or aircraft are also not eligible for this visa. They have their own different category of visa. And you cannot do foreign, you cannot work as a foreign journalist or a press person in US. And you cannot intend to become a permanent resident with this visa. Okay, so I hope you got an overall idea about what the B1, B2, the visitor visa is. And let's see how you can apply to this visa. So there are several steps for visa application, and we will give you a overall idea how to uh, apply for this category of visa and what are the possible documentations you need. Yeah. So for applying for any type of visa, you have to complete an online non-immigrant visa application, which is called Form DS-160. So when you click upon this link, you end up with this page, which is a Consular Electronic Application Center, CEAC.gov. us.state.gov, and here the first link is for the DS-160 online application for any non-immigrant visa. So, and you'll end up landing in this page, and you can select the location from which you are applying. For example, I'm going to select Canada, Montreal, and then you can enter it asks for your captcha, and then you can start an application. If you already have an application, you can retrieve by providing an application ID and answering a security question. And if you are having a paper-based application or you have downloaded a PDF format and want to upload, you can use that as well. So this is the basic, and we will discuss more about how to fill DS-160 form in a different video. And stay tuned to our channel for knowing more about it. So after that, the photo criteria. So most of the application processing center take the photograph at the center in order to avoid processing delays. But in case if you are in a country or a consular office which doesn't provide that facility, and you should be aware of the photo requirements. The photo requirements, it should be in color, and we have the dimensions, how the heads should be sized, and it should be within 6 months, plain white background, full face view, and it should be a neutral expression. You should not wear anything which represents your like uniform, or it can be generally casual wear you wear on daily basis, and you should not hide your face with the scarf or something, and obscures of hairline or hair should not be falling on your face. And no glasses are allowed, and your ears should be visible, and you should not wear any type of uh, eyeglasses which can be distractive, or it's not going to identify you properly. So that's about the photo requirements. So in addition to that, uh, let's see what are the other documents needed. And you, when you're filing your DS-160, after that you have to schedule an interview as well. So if you're under the age of 13, it's not required, and if you are older than 80, it's not required. And mostly for other categories, ranging age group ranging from 14 to 79, it is required. And sometimes for uh, renewals, that might be an exception, but you have to clarify with your embassy. So here it gives us there's a small tool which says if you enter the embassy or the city where the embassy is located, you can know about the appointment wait time, how long you should wait to get an appointment. So let me provide Montreal, Canada. So it's like a huge wait time. You have to be very well planned ahead to apply for a visitor visa. It's about uh, more than 3 months. So if you are planning to travel to USA from Canada and applying uh, from Montreal embassy, it's going to be 100 days. You have to wait for your appointment. Yeah, and after that, there's a non-refundable visa application fee of $160 dollar, and if you are entering your nationality, for example, I'm entering Canada, it would show what are the types of fees required and what's the validity period of different types of visa. So let's see this later in detail. And as of now, let's proceed with the basics of what is tourist visa is. So after that, the mandatory documents are for the interview are going to be your passport. It should be valid for 6 months beyond the period of stay. and you have to take the DS-160 confirmation page, which would have a barcode, and you can also take the application fee payment receipt and the photo if you are not completing it online. So, and also you maybe definitely you have to provide the additional documentations regarding your purpose of the visit, date you are intending to depart the United States after the trip, and your ability to bear the entire cost of the trip. So this is really evaluated by the visa officer during the interview. So the evidence that you have family ties back in your home country and you'll return to your home country and you can bear the cost of the travel and everything would be uh, factors which would decide whether you will be granted a tourist visa or not. That's it. And in addition to these documents, only other thing you need to carry to your interview is confidence. Be yourself. Definitely, the consular officer will be happy to grant you the visitor visa. Hope you enjoyed this video from Sokali. Stay tuned for more and more informative videos on US immigration, immigration abroad, and interesting vlogs and tourism in USA and abroad. Thank you. Have a nice day, friends. Bye bye.